let us now see how to multiply the decimal numbers. So we will study now multiplication of decimal numbers. Okay, now let us begin with the examples. See, if I have to multiply say 0.2 multiplied by 0.3, both are the decimal numbers. I want to do this multiplication. Now how this multiplication will be done? See, now 0.2, how can I write it in its numerator denominator form? It will be 2 upon 10 multiplied by 0.3. How can I write it in its numerator denominator form? It is 3 upon 10. Now these are the two fractions, and how do we multiply the fractions? We write the product of their numerators in the numerator and the product of their denominators in the denominator, right? So this will be 3 to the 6 upon 100, right? Now 6 upon 100, again I will write using decimal point. Now there are two zeros after one in the denominator, and therefore there would be two places after decimal point, and so it will be 0.06. Is that clear? In the same way, if you want to multiply say 1.5 multiplied by 0.2, if I want to do this multiplication, same way I will do it. 1.5 is 15 upon 10 multiplied by 0.2 is 2 upon 10. So now this is 15 into 2 upon 10 into 10. Now 15 into 2 is 30 and 10 into 10 is 100. So what is the reduced form of this? It is 3 upon 10, and hence the answer will be 0.3. Or even you can directly write from this step, it is at 0.30, because there are two zeros in the denominator. You have to write two places, decimal places, that is two digits after the decimal point. Is that clear, the way of multiplying? Okay. Now what is the how can we do the multiplication of decimals? Let us study some more examples. First of all, just see this once more so that I can explain you few more. Okay, I hope you have seen this. In short, I will tell you how do we do this. See, suppose you have to multiply 3.52 multiplied by 1.3. Suppose I want to do this multiplication. Then shortcut method I will be telling you. Just forget that there are decimal points and just carry out the regular multiplication. 352 multiplied by 13. This multiplication we will carry out. Now if you know the table of 13, well and good. If no, separately you do it. So I consider that you people don't know the table of 13, and I will explain this. 3 2s are 6, 5 3s are 15, carry 1, 3 3s are 9 plus 1 is 10. I will start multiplying by tens place, so I will write 0 in the units place. Those who can do directly, 13 2s are 26, carry 2. 13 5s are 65 plus 2 67, carry 6. 13 3s are 39 plus 6 is 45. So you are going to get this product as 4576. After you write this, you will go to these numbers and see how many decimal places are there. After means how many decimal digits are there. What does it mean? How many digits after a decimal are there in all, in multiplicand as well as the multiplier. Together, here there are two decimal digit places and here there is one decimal place. So 2 plus 1, there are total 3 decimal places, and hence I will start from the units place. 1 2 3, I will leave 3 digits, and before the third digit I will put a decimal point. So the answer will be 4.576. You can even try this in a way you did it before, whether you are going to get the same. See, 3.52 means 352 upon 100 multiplied by 13 upon 10. So it will be 352 multiplied by 13 upon 100 multiplied by 10, right? So it will be 352 multiplied by 13. I know the product now. 4576 upon 1000. And upon 1000 means you should place the decimal point before 3 digits. So the answer will be 4.576. Are you getting this? How to do the multiplication of decimals? Now, if you have to multiply a decimal fraction by 10, 100 or 1000, what happens exactly? Let us see through the examples. Suppose now you have 6.3952 multiplied by 10 you have to do, right? Now, as per my method, now see 63952 divided by, how many zeros I will write? 1, 2, 3, 4. That is divided by 10,000 multiplied by 10. Now this 10 10 will get cancelled. Means what? 10 I will divide by 10,000 by 10. So this will be 63,952 upon 1,000. Now upon 1,000 means what? After a decimal there should be 3 digits. So it will be 63.952. Are you getting this? Okay. Now if you have 6.3952 multiplied by 100. Again let me do it. 63952 upon 10,000 multiplied by 100. So now 2 zeros will get cancelled and I am going to get 63952 upon 100. Now upon 100 means what? After a decimal there should be 2 digits and therefore it will be 639.52. Are you getting? Now see, everywhere you can see as the number was same, only I have changed the multiplier. Then what is the change here? See, there is a change in the position of decimal point only, right? In the beginning it was after 6. When I multiplied it by 10, that is 1 0 after 1, it has shifted. See, basically it was here, here. When I multiplied by 10, it has shifted 1 place ahead. Can you see this? Then when I multiplied by 100, basically it was here, and when I multiplied by 100, it has shifted 2 places ahead. Can you see this? And so multiplying by 10 is what? Just I can say simply shifting the decimal point 1 place forward. Multiplying by 100 is what? Shifting the decimal point 2 places forward. So obviously multiplying by 1000 will be what? Shifting the decimal point 3 places forward. So can you orally tell me now 6.3952 multiplied by 1000. Now see, decimal point is basically here. It will be shifted to this place, right? So the answer will be 6395 if you multiply by 1000. See, when I multiplied by 10, the decimal point shifted 1 place ahead. When I multiplied by 100, the decimal point shifted 2 places ahead. And when I multiplied by 1000, the decimal point will shift 3 places ahead. Is that clear to you? How to multiply the decimal fractions? Okay. Even how to multiply 2 decimals and how to multiply the decimal fractions by 10,000 and 100. That also we have discussed. Okay.